Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Notifications and scroll down. Over here, click on one of your apps. I will go with WhatsApp. And tap on this green sweater next to Allow Notifications. As you can see, after that, all notifications from WhatsApp are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!